PEACOC 360 Spooling Panel Quick Installation Guide. Place screws in the rack to locate the bottom of the panel. Install one screw on each side of the rack plate. Position the panel over the bottom screws and set it in place. Install one additional screw on each side of the mounting bracket, then tighten to secure in place. Remove the rear panel cover. From the rear side, select the desired cassette and pull it out to the first stop. Detach the MPO by pulling on the tab. Remove the wire retainer. Pull the cable to your desired length. Rotate the spool to align the arrows. Take out the inner end of the MPO cable. Reroute the inner MPO to prepare for final connection. Form a cable loop as shown. Press the lock on the right to hold the cable in place. Insert the cassette back into the panel to the first stop. Connect the MPO to the MPO adapter. Reattach the MPO adapter holder to the rear of the spool cassette with a subtle counterclockwise adjustment as shown. Release the cassette and fully reinstall. Route the cable through the rear cable manager. Reinstall the rear cover. Thank you for watching.